love that's picture perfect. And it's about damn time, 'cause I deserve it. You hit all the places I was hurting. Everything I gave you back, you earned it. So if all of the world thinks I'm crazy, what that makes me, no such thing as I love you too much. No, I care too much. Can't want you too much. No one in this world could make me feel like it's too much. Just can't get enough. Couldn't love you more. There ain't nothing, no such thing as I love you too much. You feel just like shelter when it's raining. But when you shower me with love, I ain't complaining. It's the way your kisses leave a stain on me. Tied up in my place, I don't need saving. No, I think I'm crazy. What that makes me, you and me.
Clips. Central paint for weeks. Tan and massage 8 days a week. LV luggage, Hermes receipts. Ring around my rosy, I plays for keeps. See, nothing is too much. The Kellys is too clutch. The richest in any city don't do Dutch. Might double down on some double laws. Over $500,000 on some bumper cars. Everything in excess, I can get you access. Put your name on the yacht next to the SS. Never too much, like Luther said. So excuse me, miss, like Luther did. It's 2 nannies, that's 2 misses. I don't change diapers, she don't do dishes. She never hears no, I just grant wishes.
No
I know you hope you're
I
listening.
love you too much. No, I care too much. Can't want you too much. No one in this world could make me feel like it's too much. Just can't get enough. Couldn't love you more. There ain't nothing, no such thing as I love you too much. No way, I could never love anyone more. Come get inside this. It's warm up in this. Can you fit up in my Party, Kaylani. Mata Flamiana, come and heat it up. This that Flamiana, eat it up. Can you hold it down? Is you peeing up? Let's get out of town, we can be and beat it up. Make a mess, clean it up. Bloom in bed, put a new flower in your garden. All this red, bad horsepower, get me started. So pardon me, I feel like laundry. Soak through my laundry, so take it off of me. Come get inside this, it's warm up in this. Can you fit up in my deep in my freak, that's my go to sleep up in this. Spend a week up in this. Baby, you need somewhere to keep your love. You need someone who keeps you up. Come get inside this. It's warm up in my. Can you fit up in my? Deep up in my. That's mine. Go to sleep in mine. Been a week up in mine. You ain't seen no water falling on the balcony. Talk back at that back talk will make you proud of me. The power that I pass off, like the sound of me. It's a context, it's special. You ain't no more than me. It's the way it's gonna be. Bloom in bed, put a new flower in your garden. All all this red, that horsepower, get me started. So pardon me, I feel like laundry. So do my laundry, so take it off me. Let me see it. Deep in my freak, that's my go to sleep up in this. Spend a week up in this. Baby, you need somewhere to keep your love. You need someone who keeps you up.
You know Cardi B iconic. Got this new NDA, come sign it. Look, too fat, can't hide it. Can't nothing fit in this back pocket. It's gonna take two hands just to hold it. Want you to take it off and expose it. I feel like Kehlani, my body is spinning like laundry. I'm trying to get folded. Ayy, I wanna record it then rewatch it. I wanna go for hours, really clock it. Want you to eat this thing right off the bone. Want you to pound town this Polly Pocket. Tell me your fantasies. I'm on my hands and knees. Yeah, baby, this hot pocket with a smile. Baby, go ham and cheese.
Come get inside this. Swim up in my get up in my dip up in my freak, that's my heart. Splash all of this in this. Baby, you